when we see all the game and how many chances we create, of course, it's tough. But on the other side, honestly, we have tough game in the cup, 127 minutes. We're coming here, and we know it's coming to be tough game because Levski have a good offensive line.
Имайки предвид количеството положения, които създадохме, да, от една страна може да съжаляваме, че не взехме трите точки, но от друга страна трябва да помним все пак, че изиграхме тежък матч 120 минути в купата, особено имайки предвид и съперника, който има много качествени футболисти, най-вече в атака.
Because I must respect this 1 point. It's not correct if I say yes, we must win 3 points because it's not easy to win here. But like I say, all the game, how many chances we create, this is little.
Трябва да бъдем все пак обективни, имайки предвид и съперника. Да, едната точка можем да запишем свой актив, но да, можем да съжаляваме заради голямото количество шансове, които създадохме.
Listen, guy. Right now we on a negative trend. It's not easy because we don't win official game last 4 months. In last 29 years we don't win game here in Sofia against Levski. And when we come here, I say to players, if someone can lose something, this is Levski player. We just guys go out and play, enjoy and play, because with these points, with this, especially with this performance, we coming win a lot. This is just time question when we coming win game. Every week working for us. This is new team, so many young players. Still we don't play one simple game with our best 11, but I'm not scared. I know how I working. I know which player I have, and I know also which support I have from our fans. This is good combination, and this is just time question. We coming in very soon.
Негативната серия при нас продължава вече дълго, 4 месеца без победа, имайки предвид и негативната серия на този стадион за нас. Но това, което казах и на момчетата преди матча, е, че ние няма какво да губим тук и имайки предвид представянето, което показахме днес, победите ни очакват в най-скоро време, просто ни трябва още малко време.
About motivation.
We showed much
yes,
more motivation
guys,
in the previous game.
I am coach who have energy. I working with energy every day, every week, and I want to give this energy for my player. My style is energy football, intensive football, aggressive football, and if we improve this football, automatically we can improve in Bulgarian football also, because so many game in this league is slow motion game. But I know what I want with my team, and my problem is my team. We must fight because we need points. This is first one. If we can play much more quickly, we have much more possibility to win the game. I don't want to speak with my players about motivation. This is the best job on the world. This player have every day in our hotel in the training center breakfast, have lunch, and have also dinner, plus have salary. If I must speak about motivation, when you have everything, never this player coming stay in my dressing room. I don't want this question. Motivation, when you play football, you're doing in best job in the world. Plus you have all support, and plus you have salary. And this is this. I'm not a coach who want to motivate player. I'm coach who want to learn player. I'm coach who want to improve player to next level. If player have problem with motivation, go to fabric and work in 12 hours every day.
Моята философия принципно подразбира интензивен и агресивен футбол. На това ние работим всяка изминала седмица. но имайки предвид все пак, че трябва да решаваме и текущите турнирни задачи, да печелим точки. Но вие ме питате за мотивацията. Не мисля, че моите футболисти имат нужда от мотивация. Те имат най-добрата професия на тази земя. На тях всичко има осигурено. Те играят за такъв голям отбор като Ботев, така че въпросът за мотивацията не стои на дневен ред. Was that the best game for Ботев and the
Definitely yes. I like also our game in Cup against CSK 948. Also a good game, but I see every day we are better and better. Player understand. It's difficult to change in so short time everything. It's difficult to especially to Bulgarian player to say you must play good defending without free kick. When I come every second on training is free kick. Guys, there's no point with football free kick. We must win ball without free kick. And I see how we improve.
Със сигурност това е един от най-добрите матчове, защото също така ми хареса играта и срещу ЦСКА 1948 в матча за купата. Виждам прогреса със всеки изминал ден. Някои неща вече абсолютно виждам, например, играта в защита. Когато дойдох, се защитавахме основно с извършване на нарушение и това, слава Богу, успяхме да променим вече.
And direct answer for your question, this is our best performance with me.
Но това беше най-доброто ни представяне до сега под моят ръководство.
But we are not close how I want to play.
Но все още сме далеч от това, което аз бих искал да виждам.